So here I'm making 3 glasses of chia seeds drinks. For that, I took 3 cups of water and I'm mixing 6 spoons of chia seeds in it, 2 spoons for each glass. Now let it sit for 5 minutes. So our first shot is ready. Now take some fresh strawberries. Crush them well. So one more shot is ready. Now comes lemon, my third flavor. These are fresh lemons from my garden itself. Don't remove the skin as this will add a nice aroma to your beverage. So my third shot is ready too. I took 2 types of candies and made their powder. Now take a glass, dip it in some lemon water with powder. Now add some ice in the glasses. Add the shots we made. Add the strawberry shot. And the lemon shot. Add some lemon juice in all the 3 glasses. Meanwhile, mix the chia seed water again. As you can see, they are ready by now. Now add the chia seed water in all the glasses. Add lemon slices in each glass to garnish. Add few honey drops. The drinks are ready.